All right, boat is running good. Everything seems to be working, but there seems to be some type of a leak. It's not a big leak, but there is a leak. Don't know where it's coming from, but I'm sure everything will be fine. And let's see here. Can I turn that around? Nope. So AC's running. Everything seems to be pretty comfortable. Fridge is running. I have my one cold beer in there. This I gotta straighten out. Yeah. The head is working. It's hot as hell in there. No AC, but it's a bathroom. Sink. Microwave's not coming on, but that's not a big deal. I'm sure I can get that fixed. Let's go check out topside. Oh. Yeah. There's the power unit. Man, it is hot as hell out here. But everything keeps going well.